I'm going to introduce you to the guys in the band. That's Norman. Say hello, Norman.
Hello.
That's Philip.
Hello.
That's Philip. This is Larry. Say hello, Larry. And Keith on drums. My name's Alwyn. Fantastic. This song is called Hall of Mirrors, and it talks about people having to take a stand and make a stand for the Lord. But it's not all hard work, you know. I mean, the Lord really fills your life, and He gives you joy. And it's great, man, really. Here we go. This is in A minor, so it's really complicated. It's great, isn't it? There's bound to be some gossip. There's no way you're going to stop it, 'cause that's what people do. There's bound to be a reaction. If God is in your action, He'll make a martyr out of you. And you are so young, so very young, with so much to learn, but you've only just begun. So just remember this, in God you must trust. The devil's a magician, turning faith into dust, love into lust, and gold into rust. Just to see if you are true. Actions speak louder than words. And there'll be some misunderstanding over points that you've been giving, and you'll probably be hurt. And then you won't feel strong enough to fight. But the voice that is within you keeps saying you are right. So just remember this, you must practice what you preach, and you could show the world that your God's not out of reach. Inside a hall full of mirrors, and those who lose the way are not always the beginners. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. a jungle or a sea of blue. I'll even stay home if you want me to. Yeah. Play me, I'll be a piano. Sing me, I'll be a song. And we could make music so warm and mellow. We'll pick out the tune as we sing along. And I will sing what you want. All I want is you to ask me to. And I will play what you ask. All I ask is do you want me to? Tried, but it's just no good. Without your love, I would fade away, like putting a match to a stack of hay. Your love for me is like some precious flower that grows and grows with each passing. You alone have the power to set me free. Ooh, I know that you're doing it, yeah, yeah. You're doing it in me. I believe in you. You've always been straight, you've always been true. No matter what I do, as long as you're there, yeah. Oh, 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 I don't care. Oh, I don't care. When my life tends to slip and slide, well, you know I make so many mistakes. And when it comes down to playing the fool, well, you might say that I have what it takes. Sun and moon, they are your worshippers. They'll sing your songs until they die. Stars will twinkle and they'll dance for you. Across that stage in the sky, I believe in you. You've always been straight, you've always been true. No matter what I do, as long as you're there, yeah. Oh, 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 I don't care. Oh, I don't care. Oh, I don't care. Yeah, 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 I've seen it with my own eyes. Some of the things that people do, and it comes as no surprise, 'cause they're looking down on God. It's a foolish thing to do. It's a silly thing to do. It's a dangerous thing to do. I have heard it with my own ears. Some of the things that people say, only because their life is filled with doubts and fears. It's a lonely place to stay. It's an empty place to stay. It's the saddest place to stay. But faith is a rocket ship climbing far above the stars. And doubt is a submarine going down. Every man must bear his own song. That life's gonna bring you from time to time. And life's no children's game we play. Even children have to grow someday. It's worth too much to throw away. Catching your dreams could take a lifetime, but losing may only take one day. All of us seem to spend too much time building dreams on sand. Oh, we see them falling from our hands, upsetting everything that we had planned. When we build our dreams on sand. Every day is like a brand new start. I've got a thing taking place in my heart. Though it's something I can't explain so very clear, it always happens when you're near. Yeah, it's when you're near. Oh, I can hear music. I can hear music in the air. I can hear music everywhere. Heaven knows how it is that I feel this way. All I know, this feeling keeps growing from day to day. Though my feelings are not the only way of knowing, 'cause I believe every word you say. Hey, hey. I don't love you because I'm scared of when I die, or even because you put a city up in the sky. I can see clearly now that you turned on the light.